Car cleaning time. I got the items. Let's clean. I left my fucking keys inside. I'm locked out. Aha. It's all like, we're back. This is my car. I found cookies. Mom and Dad, I know you're watching this. I just wanted to apologize. My dearest apologies. Take note how much cleaner my side is than where all my friends sit, though. Like, honestly, that's so rude. Don't ever treat someone's car like this. What? Part of LED strip light. Ice? Why are there nuts on my floor? What is this? Glove time, baby. We're just gonna throw it all away. I don't even care if this charger works anymore. It's not worth it. Look, I'm trying, but it's still in there. Yep, we're just going all in. One of my smart friends left a vodka bottle in my car, so we're gonna see how many Juul pods are in here. That's coming up in part 2. Clean car part 2. Going in. Oh my god, I haven't seen the bottom of this thing since I bought the car. What was in there? Freaking barbecue sauce? I mean, come on. Ooh. Call me rich or whatever. Ew. I've had this car for about 3 or 4 years and I've never cleaned that out. Don't come for me. I have a phobia of change. She looked good. I don't even smoke cigarettes. Why is it like, she looks fresh, no cap. This is my swamp. It's a mystery to where my other cup holder went, but we're gonna focus on the swamp. A whole thing of Listerine. That's where my megaphone went. A hanger. Mellow yellow. This here is all the trash that I've gathered here today. Still can't believe I was driving around with that motherfucker in here. I mean, she looks real good. She looks good. All right, besides that, don't look at that. I have to vacuum. But if anyone can tell me how to shampoo seats, I really need that insight.